In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the toolbar back in Photoshop 2026 and restore it in just a few seconds. If your Tools panel has suddenly disappeared, don't worry, this is a very common issue and it's incredibly easy to fix. Whether you accidentally closed it, changed your workspace, or something just looks off, I'll walk you through the fastest methods to bring it back. Make sure to watch until the end so you know the full reset option as well. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop guides. Let's jump right in. So first, let's talk about the most common fix. In most cases, the toolbar disappears simply because it was unchecked in the window menu. To fix this, start by opening Adobe Photoshop 2026. Once Photoshop is open, look at the very top of your screen where you see the main menu options like File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, View, Window, and Help. Click on Window. This menu controls all of your visible panels inside Photoshop. When the drop-down appears, look through the list until you find Tools. If the toolbar is missing, you'll notice there is no checkmark next to Tools. All you need to do is click on Tools once. The moment you click it, the toolbar will instantly reappear, usually on the left-hand side of your screen. That's it. In most situations, this single click completely fixes the issue. If your toolbar was unchecked, this method restores it immediately. This is the fastest and easiest solution, and it works almost every time. But what if your workspace looks completely messed up? Maybe multiple panels are missing, things are floating around, or the layout just doesn't look right. In that case, there's a better full reset option. For a complete fix, go back to the top menu and click on Window again. Then hover over Workspace. You'll see different workspace presets depending on how Photoshop is configured. Click on Essentials Default. This is the standard Photoshop layout designed for most users. After selecting Essentials Default, go back again to Window, then Workspace, and this time click Reset Essentials. As soon as you click Reset Essentials, Photoshop will restore the entire layout back to its original default state. This includes the toolbar, Layers panel, Properties panel, and any other panels that may have disappeared or moved around. This reset option is the best fix if more than just the toolbar is missing. It basically gives you a clean, fresh workspace without affecting your actual projects or files. It only restores the layout, not your saved work. So to quickly recap, if your toolbar disappears in Photoshop 2026, first go to Window and click Tools to turn it back on. If that doesn't fix it, go to Window, then Workspace, choose Essentials Default, and click Reset Essentials. One of these two methods will restore your toolbar every single time. Photoshop layout issues can feel frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of a project, but now you know exactly how to fix this in seconds. If this video helped you restore your toolbar, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop 2026 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.